So I kind of forgot that Saturday was a day to film follow-on related videos. So I'm just gonna give a little small update on that device. So right now I do have the wires hooked up on this. Got the wires in here. But I'm gonna need a resistor to go there and then plug into this negative port right here before I can even use it for anything. So once I get that resistor, I'll be able to use this in the next system test video. But as for right now, at the end of my live stream tomorrow, I'll be activating the system using that as per usual. But yeah, that's just a small update on this board here. So yeah. Suppose I could set it off just real quick before I end the video. See you later.